I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. त्यानंतर आधी मुलींनी रांगेत वर्गामध्ये जायचं, सोबत मुलांनी इथेच थांबायचं आपापल्या वर्गामध्ये. फर्स्ट रो, सेकंड रो, रो वाईज मुली आज